Today I'm going to talk to you about the path of the Earth in different times of the year. So at this time, go ahead and pause this video and get out your seasons foldable that we did last week in class. Okay, open up your foldable, and inside your foldable, we're going to draw these lines here that you see. Make sure that you do them accurately. Make sure that you're doing them accurately. So in this location here, we have spring. And so the Earth's path is going to go from east to west. Okay. In the spring and in the fall, it's also going to go from east to west. But take a look at these lines and notice how they're very much in equal, hence the word equinox. They're in the middle. Pause the video if you need to. Down below here, we have summer solstice. Notice that the line is up higher. And then we have our winter solstice. The line is lower. So this is the sun's path. Again, it goes from east to west in all 4 locations. Remember, the sun does not move, but that's the way that we see it in the sky. This is just representing how much daylight and dark time we have per day. It has nothing to do with day and night like the rotation of the Earth, but it has to do with the fact that we have 12 hours of daylight, 12 hours of darkness. Same thing over here. And then over here, we have majority of darkness and the majority of light, depending on the pole that you are located at. Now, if you're wondering or have more questions about this, go to your Google Classroom. In your Google Classroom from November 1st, click on the Why Do We Have Seasons link. And we did this at Station 5 last week, but you can look at the sun's path in the sky. You can read through this if you didn't already. And then down here, New York is in the northern hemisphere, and you can see in December in the winter solstice, you can see the path the sun takes from east to west, just like you drew in your foldable. Miami, 26 degrees latitude in the winter because it is closer to the equator. It's a little different path. Singapore is right along the equator at 1 degree. Remember, the equator is located at 0 degrees latitude. And so, okay. And then Australia in the southern hemisphere in December. Remember that in the southern hemisphere in December, they're experiencing summer. And so the path is here. Okay. Make sure to play around with these. You'll have a test over this on Wednesday. And I hope this helps.